So students, we completed sum number 1 marks, 2 marks and 3 marks. Daily I am giving you 2 sums per day and you are solving that and you have to submit me. So our up to 3 marks our all sums are covered. Now session starting from 4 marks. For 4 marks I will explain step by step one sum. This is as per as a revision of all chapters, because in 4 marks all chapters are included, as we know in 3 marks and 2 marks also. So we start with the first chapter. This is given basic on graphical method, which is sum is on graphical method. So it is for 4 marks. So now all 24 or 25 sums which is are for 4 marks. So that 4 marks sum I will teach you or I will explain you. You have to look at this video carefully and solve in your notebook. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay. So first sum, solve by graphical method. 2x minus 3y 4, 3y minus x is equal to 4. So x and y is known as a variable and 4 is known as what? Constant number. So I have to make a chart for this equation. This is the first equation. What is equation? 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now there are two coefficients, one is 2 and second is what? 3. So which division is very simple? See, 10 divided by 2 or 10 divided by 3, which is very comfortable. This is very comfortable. So divided by 2 is very comfortable. So what I can do? I can transfer this 3y that side. So 2x is equal to 4 minus will become plus, right? Now I want only x now. So x is equal to 4 plus 3y divided by what? 2. Okay. Now I have to put different values of y so that my x will change. So I am taking y here. You can take any simple value, but keep it in mind, while taking y, your x should be simple value. That means 2, 3, minus 2, minus 3, that is. Minus okay, but not should be in a fraction number, that is 7 upon 2 or 10 upon 3, like that. So which number should I take here? I can take y is equal to 2. Why? Because y is equal to, then 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 4 what? 10. 10 divided by 2 is what? 5. So y is equal to 2. So x is equal to 4 plus 3 2s are 6. So 4 plus 6 divided by 2 will become 5. Barabar na? So x become 5. This is my first value. So I can put a chart for this. Okay. Take only 3 values. No need to take 4 values. 3 values sufficient. Now another y. Which y we should take? I shall take minus 2. Minus 2 also okay. So if I take minus 2, then x is equal to 4 plus 3 minus 2 upon 2. So plus minus minus. 3 2s are 6. Plus minus minus. So 4 minus 6. What is 4 minus 6? Minus 2. Plus minus minus, bigger number sign. So minus 2 divided by 2. Minus 2 divided by 2 will become minus 1. So x is equal to minus 1. So here x, here y, x comma y. So when I am taking y is equal to 2, x is my 5. Y is equal to minus 2, x is my minus 1. Now another value is remaining, that you can take y is equal to 0. If I take y is equal to 0, then this whole become 0. So x is equal to 4 plus 0 divided by 2. 4 plus 0 is 4 only, and 4 divided by 2, 2 only. So x is equal to 2, y 0. So my first equation completed. This is my first chart. So from the first chart I can draw one line. Okay. Now I am solving second equation. What is second equation? Second equation is like this: 3y minus x is equal to what? 4. Now here simple value, because minus x is what, only one variable. So one variable is very easy. You can convert it to plus, minus will become plus, and take 4 this side. So 3y minus 4 is equal to what? X. Right? Minus that side, plus 4 this side. So my equation become x is equal to, I am changing both the side, x this side, y that side. While changing both the side, no sign change. Okay, this is my equation. So now here also we have to take different values of y, so that x value will change. So y is equal to y is equal to y is equal to. Okay. So you can take simple value. If I take y is equal to 1, so after putting y is equal to 1, what happened here? 3 ones are 3. So x is equal to 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3, minus 4 will become minus 1. So x is equal to what? Minus 1. Right? Then x is equal to, I can take 2. So 3 2s are 6, and 6 minus 4 2. So x is equal to 2. Okay. Now last value I can take y is equal to 0. You can take 0. So x will become 0 minus 4. 0 into any number is 0, na? 3 0 0. 0 into any number is 0. So 0 minus 4. So 0 minus 4 is nothing but minus 4, without fail. Minus 4 is very important. So these are the 3 values. Okay. Now I can make a chart here. Okay. X, y, x comma y. So what is x here? Minus 1. What is y here? 1. Minus 1, 1. What is x here? 2. Y also 2. So 2 comma 2. What is x here? Minus 4, y 0. So minus 4 comma 0. Now these are the two charts. I have to draw two lines. So for first line, keep it in mind, while on a graph paper, at the corner write a scale without fail. On both axes 1 semi is equal to 1 unit. Okay, I'm drawing first line of first equation. 5 comma 2. So 5 comma 2 is which quadrant? First quadrant. So here only make a dark dot. Don't circle it. This is a wrong method or old method, which is you can apply in a 9th standard. In 10th standard only make a circle. Okay. See, listen each and every videos carefully. I am repeating whole algebra again. Okay. 5 comma 2. Now minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 from x. From x is minus 1 here. And minus 2y. Minus 2 is here. If you plot point carefully or right, then only your line is a straight line. So 2 comma 0. 2 comma 0 means y 0. That means point is on the x axis. We know when y is 0, y coordinate is 0, point is on the x axis. So this is the 3 points. Now I know it is in a single line. So draw a line with the help of scale, and without fail write the equation here at the top. What is the equation? 2x, original equation. This is the original equation. Now second equation, second line. Minus 1 1. Minus 1 x, y 1. Yes, here. 2 comma 2. So 2 comma 2 here. And minus 4 0. So minus 4 on x axis. Minus 4 here. Y 0. So here. So now I have to increase this line because it should be intersect. So these are the 3 lines, 3 points. So I can make a, okay, it should intersect somewhere. Okay, So this is first equation, that means 2x minus 3y is equal to 4, and this is the second equation. What is second equation? 3y minus x is equal to 4. Okay, where should they intersect? They intersect somewhere here. So you have graph paper, you come to know it is a 8, 4. So your solution you can write in a simple page here. So my solution x comma y, which is first x then y, 8, 4. So now 8, 4 is my answer. How I can cross check whether my answer is right or wrong? I can put value here and see whether in out of these two equations any one equation I can put in a second equation 8, 4. Now what is second equation? This is second equation. So 8, 4. What is the x? 8. So x here, y 3, 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 8. What is 12 minus 8? 4. So right. If you can put in a first equation, then also okay. What is first equation? This is my first equation. What is the 2? What is the x? 8. What is the y? 4. 2 8s are 16. 3 4s are 12. 16 minus 12 again 4. That means my answer is right. Okay. So this is the first sum complete. Daily I am taking first only one sum. I'm making one video of one sum and I'm sending you. But don't just copy. Listen carefully one video. It may be 10 minutes, 11 minutes, 12 minutes. Listen carefully. Then your each chapter will clear. I'm revising again because all 6 chapter I'm completed already. But again in mathematics revision is required. Okay. So this is my first sum is completed. Okay. Thank you. Copy this.